Hello lovelies, today we're doing something special. So we're going to talk about this Royal Ubtan. Yes, you heard that right. This is an age-old passed on tradition of a recipe, and this is going to not just be great for your skin, but it's also going to be like pampering and relaxing. So let's get into it. So to make this Ubtan, we have some almonds, some cardamom, some pistachio, some saffron strands, some oats, and rose flower powder. Basically, I feel like rose flower powder is something that my grandmom's used for years and years in the kitchen. She has always told me to use it on my face. It's soothing, it's great for oily skin, it has a wonderful scent, it's uplifting, all of those things. And saffron, I think we all know kumkumadi has been used for generations, but yeah, it definitely helps with that glow, with that pigmentation. Most of these ingredients are things that I have grown up watching my grandmom use, especially in the kitchen, and make things out of. So I can't wait to get into making this and trying it out on my face. I've ground all of the ingredients that I told you about, and it looks like that. It's a little fine powder, and the quantities are mentioned right here. Mix it either with simple water, or you can use milk, you can use rose water if you have sensitive skin, you can use yogurt if your skin is a bit drier and needs some nourishment. You can even use honey if you want something that's antibacterial. But remember, mix it, and you want to set it aside for 30 minutes to activate before you use it on your face. Guys, I've cleansed my face while I was making this. It's been 30 minutes and I've let it rest, but I did add some aloe vera and some yogurt because I felt like I wanted something extra. So go ahead and customize this according to how you want. Let's dive in. So I'm just going to first show you the texture. I'm going to do just a little bit on my hand. Guys, look at the texture of this Ubtan. It feels so luxurious, but also at the same time super like nice and exfoliating. Now I'm going to apply the mask on my face and leave it on for up to 15 to 20 minutes. Guys, this is my after. I really hope you can see this because my skin feels baby soft, and honestly with DIYs I'm always skeptical because I don't want them to dry out my face because generally they don't have those additional moisturizing factors. But I totally recommend adding aloe and yogurt to your mask. It really, I can't begin to explain to you how my skin feels. I don't want to touch it too much because it's not good to touch your skin too much. If you don't see this glow and this doesn't motivate you to go try it out, I don't know what will. So try it out. And I have a little bonus tip for you guys. So if you saw that I used just about 2 spoons of the Ubtan, or rather the powder, you can always store this in a container for future use. But what you can also use, mix it with a few drops of oil, and then you can use it like a body scrub, and I promise your body is going to love you for it. So try it out, let me know what you think of it, and I will see you in my next video.